Sa labas ng paaralan ng Tandag National Science High School, puno ng ingay at tawanan ang mga estudyante. Pero sa gitna ng lahat, may isang tahimik na estudyanteng nagangalang si JP. Mabait siya, ngunit madalas pinagtatawanan dahil sa kanyang kilos. At sa araw na ito, may mangyayaring hindi niya inaasahan.
Oh my gosh, look at him. Ang drama naman niya.
Grabe, parang princess ang mga galaw mo. JP.
Girl, are you sure na lalaki ka? Parang girl ka kasi eh.
Ano ba? Tigilin niyo na nga ako. Wala naman akong ginagawa sa inyong masama ah.
Chill lang, nagjo-joke lang naman kami. Ang sensitive mo talaga. OMG. Hey you, tama na yan, hindi na yan joke.
Ba't umiiyak ka na naman?
Wala.
Huwag kang maya sa akin.
Wala nga.
Basta tandaan mo, nandito lang ako.
Oh my God. Block ko na yan.
Ano ka lang ba? Hindi. Everyday na lang. Pinagtatawa na. Ipinahihiyap. Ano bang mali sa akin?
Wala namang mali sa'yo ah. Sila may mali.
Kasalanan ko bang maging ganito?
Hindi. Hindi ka mali. Kung ano ka, yun yung nakikita namin sa'yo. Mabait ka.
Bakit ka umiiyak? Nay, ayoko na pong pumasok. Palagi nila akong pinagtatawanan.
Anak, hindi mo yan kasalanan. Kasalanan yan ang malapit sa'yo.
Pero Nay, ayoko na pong pumasok.
Ang paggalang ay karapatan ng lahat. Hindi pribilehiyo ng iilan. Ang salitang may respeto ay kayang maghilom ng sugat na dulot ng pang-aapi.
Wait lang. Yes, ma'am. I heard na may bullying na nangyayari.
Ma'am, palagi na lang nila binubulig si JP.
Golden, pupunta tayo sa guidance office.
May alam niya ba? Nagsumbong si Rob sa teacher natin.
What? Ang uuwi niya naman.
I want honesty here. Ano ba talaga ang problema niyo?
Nagjo-joke lang po kami.
It's not a joke anymore.
Yes, if someone cries every day, it's definitely not a joke anymore. Jeffrey, speak.
Ano bang kasalanan ko? Hindi ko naman kayo inano.
Sorry po. Hindi namin naisip na ganun para sa alam. JP, sorry. Tumatuto na kami.
I'm sorry. Palagi na lang umiyak yung anak ko. Paano kung maisipan niyang magpakamatay?
Being different is not wrong. Not respecting others is also wrong. Everybody deserves respect. Understood?
Ganun umiyak mo na.
Oh my God! Look how pathetic ka. Ang lumpi ka kasi eh.
nandito lang kami para sa'yo, JP.
Oo nga!
JP! No more bullying?
No more!
Nababahala ang ilang eksperto sa dumaraming bilang ng kabataang na biktima ng cyber harassment nitong pandemya.
Ayon sa PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, halos 300 sari-saring cybercrime complaints
Natutunan ni JP na mahalaga ang suporta ng pamilya at tunay na kaibigan sa pagharap sa bullying na nararanasan niya dahil sa pagiging bakla. Sa tulong ng kanyang mga kaibigan at guro, naunawaan ng mga nananakit ang kahalagahan ng respeto at understanding, kaya humihingi sila ng tawad at tumigil sa pang-aasar. Ipinapakita ng kwento ang tunay na tapang ay nasa pagiging mabuting kaibigan at paggalang sa kapwa. Bullying is a serious problem that affects many students in school and even people in different places. It happens when someone repeatedly hurts, threatens, and embarrasses another person. Bullying can be physical, verbal, or even done online. Because of bullying, many victims feel sad, scared, and lose their confidence. It can affect their studies, friendships, and overall well-being. One important lesson we can learn from bullying is the value of kindness and respect. Every person deserves to be treated fairly, no matter how they look, speak, or act. When we choose to be kind, we create a safer and happier environment for everyone. A small act for kindness, such as helping someone or speaking politely, can make a big difference in another person's life. The importance of standing up for others. When we see someone being bullied, we should not stay silent. We can support the victim, report the situation to a teacher or adult, and encourage others to stop the bullying. By doing this, we show courage and help protect people who may feel helpless. Bullying teaches us to understanding the feelings of others. Empathy helps us realize how painful it is to be treated badly. To understand the feelings of others, empathy helps us realize how painful it is to be treated badly. When we put ourselves in someone else's situation, we become more careful with our words and actions. This story is to connect to ourselves. Instead of judging or hurting people, we should choose to understand and support them. The real lesson from bullying is that being kind, brave, and respectful can make the world a safer and better place for everyone, and create a community where everyone feels safe and accepted.